malaki akong marunong magpanggap na kaya ko. Siguro ang kailangan ko lang noon ay isang yakap. But I was the daughter who learned how to wipe her tears and acted like everything was okay. Yung feeling na ngumiti kahit ang totoo, wasak na wasak na wasak na wasak na. Walang nakakaalam if how many nights I cried myself to sleep. Yung mga umagang pinilit mong bumangon kahit gusto ko nang sumuko. Pero sa totoo lang, I was just hoping that there will be someone out there na makanotice na hindi ako okay. Na may magsasabing, pagod ka na diba? Halika, pahinga ka muna. Pero walang dumating. Kaya kahit pagod, kahit ubos, I still got up every day and kept going. Dahil walang ibang magliligtas sa akin kundi ako. I had to save myself.